Okay, after the reboot, we wait for our additional software to install and Tor to connect and have a connection. And we get greeted with most of a desktop launcher. That'll change in a minute. And a terminal where all we need to do is type in our administrator password once and we're ready to go. That's all there is to it. And I hope this video was helpful. And if you haven't heard of DeepOnion before, I suggest you go over to the website deeponion.org. The resources is very useful. You can download the wallet, get all the quick sync and all that for Mac, Windows, Linux, Tails, and mobile phone, uh, Android, I do believe. And if you go to the community tab, you can get to the forums where if you have any problems, there's a help section. Just go in there and put in your question and people will be glad to help you out. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoy your wallet.